This is really unexpected. Hi guys, this is Koshvi Mashotaidu and how are you doing guys? So it's been a while making some vlog. So and welcome back to my channel guys. So as you saw my So as you saw my title and the thumbnail, it's all about going to Ananthagiri Hills in Hyderabad. So basically I've just done fueling my bike and right now I'm going to the meetup point to my friends. So basically the meetup point is at Gachpoli Yamaha showroom. So that's the meetup and so actually fueled up my bike, but unfortunately there is no air pumper person at the petrol station. So feeling a little bit scared, like I have to air up my tires for the safety. So yes, we just reached Yamaha showroom at Gachipoli. So as of now, since 3 days, it's been raining hard, guys. So you have to see my bike's condition. Man, seriously. Just look at the condition, man. I hate rain. Forever, I hate rain. Hi, bro. Hi, bro. Hi. Hi, bro. Hi. Hi. What's up? Yeah. Hi. How are you? Hi, bro. Hi. Yeah. Hi. Nice to meet you. Hi bro, how are you? So met my friends. Actually some more friends are still on the way. Okay. So as of now we are shopping for fuel. Like some of my friends, some of our friends need some fuel. So previously I fueled up in this petrol bunk only. Yeah. Line lo undadu, line ki pakkana undadu. Just wanna show my bike. Just for fun. Here's our bike. Looks sexy and crazy. My blue beast. I mean my blue monster. Damn it. So some of our friends are feeling up there. So so guys, actually we are like 20 members approximately. Not really 20, 15 members approximately, and hardly. So today I'm basically marshalling for the ride. It's like I mean marshalling means maintaining the ride like a line. So I was saying that marshalling means maintaining the line. As you saw now, this is a line. So one more thing we have to one more thing which we have to do is we have to control the traffic as well in the time of the line passes. After many months, guys, I'm going to Ananthagiri Hills again. So feeling a bit excited. Last time I went to Ananthagiri Hills like 3 times. So it was really fun, as well as it is even fun right now. It is even fun this time too. So this is basically 4K lens of my camera. So later on I'll be showing 360 camera videos. So that's what I generally do. Yep. So all these are our biker friends. So as is since 2 days, 3 days, there's a continuous rain. A bit luckily today it is not raining much. What I'm saying is these roads are pretty much wet as the rain was since 2-3 days. So mainly my fear is all about wet roads. And if at all it is a sunny day, I'll surely have confidence in road balancing. So that's the thing. So balancing in the sense mainly at the places of cornering, like that. we are again on a halt. This road is pretty dangerous, man. So basically, he's our group leader. So basically, he wanted to ride in the time of summer. Sorry, in the time of rainy and in the time of rain. So don't know why he planned in the time of rain, but it's not really raining as of now. Some of my friends are on heavy discussions. Don't know why. So guys, we almost reached Ananthagiri hills, and this is all Ananthagiri hills, and in another name it is called Vikarabad. So this is like fourth time visiting Ananthagiri hills. As well as my bike is being here for first time. Roads are too dangerous, slippery. Oh man, it's time to off-road. Oh no. Holy. This is really unexpected. Whoa. So we finally reached Ananthagiri hills. My visor got fogged. Look at the tires, man. Look at the tires. Totally mud. It was really unexpected off-roading.